Hi Pink Angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. So today I thought I would do a nice festive sparkly video and show you my Swarovski collection. I absolutely adore Swarovski jewellery. I have been collecting it for many years since I was a teenager, and I've built up quite a lovely collection, and I just wanted to show it to you guys and share all of my favourite pieces because I just love the sparkle. And for my birthdays and Christmases over the years, I have received some really beautiful gifts and I wanted to show you. Before I get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. It means so much to me and I'd love to welcome you into my Pink Angel family. And also feel free to follow me on Instagram. It's at @AlohaAmy_. There's always lots more pink content on there. First of all, I have these really lovely earrings which I got first and then I bought the rest of the set in order to match. I just saw these earrings and thought they were so cool. They basically are like a chain that you pull through your ear, and this kind of freaks out some people, like even watching it, but I think it's so fun. It's such a good idea, and these don't get tangled in my hair or like fall out or anything because they have to be pulled all the way through, but they're so fun. I just have a little round sparkle at the bottom and they're just beautiful. It's kind of like a little sparkly golf ball, I guess. And I have the matching necklace in rose gold also, as well as the matching bangle. And I love these bangles from Swarovski because they're very little and I have absolutely tiny wrists, so these are really small and they are adjustable as well, so I can make them as tight as I need to. And I just love how this is a little bangle and a bracelet. It's like a little double bangle. It's beautiful. And I love rose gold. It's probably my favourite and it's just absolutely stunning, this set, and I love to wear this with my rose gold watch. And this was my gift for my 18th birthday. I really wanted a rose gold watch, and at the time a lot of people for their 18th were getting Michael Kors rose gold watches, but I wanted to be a little bit different, so I got this beautiful Swarovski watch, and it's like a bangle as well, so it fits me really nicely and you can take little links out of it, which I did just to make it fit perfect. And it's just so cool how the sparkles are through the glass, and I love the rose gold. It's so sparkly and this goes with all of my glam outfits. It's just beautiful and I love this. So next is a set which I actually purchased a pair of earrings when I was on holiday, and they are actually from Michael Kors, not Swarovski, but they're little triangles and they have sparkles down the side. They're so adorable, and I got these in a department store when I was in Myrtle Beach, I think. So I think I was around 18, and I just thought these were the most beautiful earrings, and I had some birthday money. I spent my birthday money on these, and then I decided that I loved this so much that I would search for matching necklace and rings and things like that, and I ended up finding ones that were the same style from Swarovski. So I got the V-shaped necklace with the sparkles in it, and this is so pretty, and again it's in rose gold. And then I got this ring which is just amazing. It's so sparkly. It's 3 rings that stack together and they just look so cool. I love this and it's just so eye-catching and really does look so glam and fancy. I really love how I found the set to match the Michael Kors earrings I got on holiday. So I don't have anything else that matches this, but I have this rose gold ring which I wear quite often and I really love it. It's a little heart knot with sparkles in it and it's rose gold and it's so beautiful. I chose this with my nana and it was so special. We went in and chose this together and I just love this. I also got this bracelet at the same time, and this is one of their stardust bracelets, and this looks a little bit dirty, so I am trying to figure out how best to clean this because I'm sure I used soap and water and it didn't really clean too well, so I'm going to try and figure out how I can get the sparkle back. But to be honest, I've had this bracelet for years and years and it's lasted such a long time, but I will just find the best way to clean it and get its sparkle back. Then I have this lovely necklace and earring set which my dad got me for Christmas one year, and he's got such good taste in jewellery. He chose this especially for me, and it's the prettiest necklace which has little stars on it, and I just find these to be so sparkly and they kind of dangle down and they're so sweet. I just love this necklace. I wear this all the time and I love the little studs that go with it. They're just little star-shaped sparkly crystal studs, and these are great because they don't get caught in my hair or anything like that, and they're just little tiny sparkles, and I really like that. So they're quite subtle, but I love them, and this necklace is just so pretty. So I received this bracelet, which is really, really pretty. It's just very delicate, and I love that it's rose gold and silver, so it matches both, and it's very delicate and pretty. And I love the clasp on this. It's a little magnet, which means it does not fall off. And then I also got these two necklaces, which I wear a lot actually. One of the necklaces is slightly smaller and they just sit really nicely, and I think these look really sparkly and lovely, and again, wear these all the time because they're just very delicate and dainty to wear. I love delicate dainty jewellery, that's my go-to. So for my 21st birthday I got the most beautiful set of rose gold jewellery, and it's kind of like a knot. So basically this is a choker necklace, which is really unusual. I don't have any other necklaces like this, and it's so pretty and sparkly, and I love the little knot detailing. And then I also have the bangle, which is the same as the necklace. It's just beautiful, so dainty and sparkly. And then the ring is really cool as well because it's like 4 rings all tied together. It's so pretty, and again, sparkly, stunning. I love the knot, and this is just such a gorgeous ring. It looks so glam and pretty. And then these earrings, oh, these are unreal. These are like little knots as well. They're like little tiny hoops with 2 kind of bars tied on and dangling down. They're just so cool. I love these. And this set is just amazing, and it looks so pretty again with this watch. But if I want to wear silver jewellery, I have a silver watch as well. I actually showed this in my previous video, or possibly the video before, I can't quite remember, but I received this watch here when I graduated with my master's degree, and it's the most beautiful Swarovski silver watch that my mum and dad gave me, and I just love how different this is because it's a little bangle, so perfect for my tiny wrists, and it has like a little clasp that you just push here and then it opens up, and it's so small for my wrists, which is just great. And then all the little sparkles and crystals just move, which is so fun, and it's just so different, and I love that. All of my jewellery I like to be very different. I like it to be dainty and very pretty, but always different. I don't like being the same as other people, so I love this watch. And this is great to have a rose gold and a silver option of watches so that whatever jewellery I'm wearing I can match. I think this could have been the first Swarovski purchase that I ever made, and they actually don't even make these anymore. This is a Swarovski charm bracelet, and it's like little purple pearls, and it's so pretty. And I think I got this when I was in high school, and I've got all of these fun charms that mean something. So the little butterfly one was a gift from one of my friends, as was the bow, and then the pink shell, I got that one year when I was going on holiday, as well as getting the little yellow polka dot bikini. And then for my 21st, my brother gave me this charm. It's actually from Thomas Sabo because Swarovski now don't make this charm bracelet, so they don't even make charms. So he got me that from Thomas Sabo, and I put that onto this bracelet. And then I have a little sparkly shoe because why not, that's just me. And then I have a sparkly Italian moped because I got that the year that I went to Rome. And then I also got this bracelet at Christmas from my gran, so I got a little snowman charm because it was Christmas time. And then I also have an 18 charm, which is also from Thomas Sabo. And this bracelet is just so different. No one else has one like it because it's so personal to me, and it's so lovely. I don't wear this that much because it is very sort of easily caught on clothes and hair, but it is really, really pretty, and I love it, and it's so special to me. So finally, from my collection, I have these earrings, which are so beautiful. It reminds me of like little stars and like the constellation. I think that's the idea behind it, and my boyfriend just surprised me with these recently and they're just absolutely beautiful. They're so delicate and really different as well, which I love, and they're just so special to me, and they're rose gold and he knows me so well and I love them. Finally, my mum wanted to include a couple of things from her collection because she also loves Swarovski. She wanted to show you guys this gold ring which we got her for her birthday one year to match a bracelet that my dad had previously got her, and it's such a lovely ring. It's so sparkly and eye-catching and it's so perfect to match the bracelet that she has. The bracelet that she has isn't from Swarovski, but we matched the ring perfectly to it. And then she also has these little heart crystal earrings that are so delicate and pretty. And yeah, that's it. So that is my entire Swarovski collection. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!